Nature therapy, also known as ecotherapy or green therapy, is spending time in nature and getting connected with nature that can reduce cortisol production, which can then improve and relieve stress. When I moved into this house, my desk was facing that wall. And on the other side of my camera is a wall of windows that I can see my entire patio and backyard. We flipped the desk around so I could look outside. To me, that's very calming. I can watch, the dog, the squirrels, the bunnies. It brings natural sunlight, and this can ground us. Being outside in nature can lower cortisol production. Cortisol, we know, is the stress hormone. Sunshine gives us lots of good vitamin D. Fresh air can help to increase serotonin and other endorphins, which are our feel-good hormones. They can enhance our mood and reduce symptoms of anxiety and depression. They can help us to focus better and to have more creativity. It's been shown to give us a mental boost and boost our brain function and our cognitive function. Just walking outside adds movement into our day, can improve our cardiovascular well-being and our overall well-being. I like to do something called awareness walks where I don't even listen to a podcast. I go outside and am aware of my surroundings. I listen to the birds and the wind blowing through the trees and notice the colors, smells, and the things that I hear, see, and feel. That really helps to relieve stress. The Japanese have something called Shinrin Yoku, which is forest bathing, where they do that awareness, except that they're in a forest. They're aware of the sights, the sounds, the smells of the forest. One of my very favorite things to do is spending time on the beach. I love the sound of the ocean, breathing in the fresh air, listening to the seagulls. I prefer a beach that's quiet with no people, but even with other people on the beach with me, that sound and the smells, it's very calming for me. Gardening. I don't get as much time to garden as I used to, but I have a small garden. Working with plants and flowers can often give us the benefits of nature therapy because we have this hands-on experience and then we get to see the fruits of our labor. One of the things I do a lot is take my socks and shoes off and I go outside and stick my feet in the grass and ground. With all the electromagnetic frequencies, the EMFs and things that we get from cell phones and electrical wires and computers, putting our feet in the earth actually helps to mitigate the effects of some of the electromagnetic frequencies that can be harmful to our body and harmful to our cells and our mitochondria. On the other side of this window and all through my house is plants. They take in the carbon dioxide that we breathe out, and they use that for their respiration and they emit oxygen. We get the benefit of that. Not only do I get to look at my beautiful plants, but they also do actually physically benefit us. I hope that you're able to find one or two ways that you can incorporate nature therapy into your day this week. I hope that this added value to you. As always, please like and share this video, subscribe to our channel, follow us on social media, reach out to us with anything that we can do to help. I hope you have a wonderful day.